Hello everybody, right, here is the new lesson for this week. So we're moving to the Unlock Textbook Unit 3, what we will learn in this lesson. So we're going to do a little bit of work from the textbook, and the first thing we will do is about synonyms, some vocabulary work. But then we also need to talk about something that is not in the book, but it is very important to your grade this semester, and that is the writing proposal and paragraph. So those are the two things to study this lesson. Okay, before we continue, I just want to remind everybody, if you didn't watch it yet, don't forget to watch the writing mechanics video. That is the video that I shared with you last week. And I have put the link in Smart Campus on the announcement board. I did that last time. But you can also find this video on YouTube. My Smart Campus link is a YouTube link. So please make sure that you find some time to watch this video and to study with the video. It's very long, there are many chapters, but each of those points are very important for the writing test this semester. And I will review those points later when we get closer to the writing essay test. But it would be very helpful if you do some self-study as well. So please remember to try to watch that video. Okay, let's move on and let's start Unit 3 in the textbook. Okay, so Unit 3, as you probably have seen, every unit starts with some reading. But I haven't been really introducing that too much in these PowerPoint videos, because what we are studying in the videos is more grammar and writing skills. But every unit starts with some reading, and it would be helpful for you also to do some self-study. And for Unit 3, you can look at page 66 and page 67, and you can read the article and you can do the vocabulary exercises. So that is some self-study, and it will be helpful to you to do those pages. So let's start with those two pages. And then you can move to page 70 and 71, which looks like this. And we're going to do a little bit of work on synonyms. Now, are you all familiar with what a synonym is? Synonyms are words which have the same or very similar meanings. You use synonyms in your writing to avoid repetition. Okay, so they are words which have the same or very similar meaning. And let's have a look at the example in the book. New roads will stop traffic congestion in the short term. The local government hopes this will prevent delays. So in those two sentences, we have two words which are synonyms, stop and prevent. They have similar meanings. But you don't want to repeat the same word. It would not be good academic writing if you use the word stop 2 times in 2 sentences. That is not mature writing. So in this case, you need to use a synonym. Right, so again, this is where you can do your self-study. If we were together in the class, I would ask you to do these pages with a partner, and then we would go through the answers. But we are not in the classroom, we are studying online still. So can you please do this by yourself, page 70 and 71. You don't need to send me the photo of this one. You do it yourself, and in the next video I will go through the answers and you can check them yourself. So I'm trusting you to do this work, okay? And in the next video I will go through the answers and you can check them. Okay, so page 70 to 71, synonyms to help avoid repeating yourself. Right, so now we're going to move on to the writing test part 1. Okay, so writing proposal and paragraph. Now, this photo here, I took this from the syllabus that I sent to you at the very start of the semester. So your writing project is worth 20% of your grade. And you can see it says the writing project is in 4 parts. It's time to start. So we're going to start with number 1. And number 1 is a topic proposal and 1 paragraph summary of students' opinion. This is worth 2 points of the 20%. Okay, let's keep going. So, the topic proposal and opinion paragraph. So, here are the instructions. Now please try to understand this because it's not easy. Let's go slow. Choose the topic you will work on for the rest of the semester in your writing test. Now, topics can be related to any chapter themes in the Unlock book or connected to your major. Or you could choose a different theme if you want to. The topic must discuss an important problem that is complex enough that you must do some academic research. Ask your professor, me, for feedback if you are not sure. Okay, so you need to choose a topic that you can write about. And the topic needs to be something that requires some research. Okay, so it has to be academic. And I must approve your topic. Okay, so I have to tell everybody, yes, this is going to be okay, which I will do after you complete this task. Okay, so let's summarize. Think of a problem you care about. Discuss in detail either one important cause or one important effect of this problem. You will discuss this problem in your writing assignments for the rest of the semester. So choose one that is interesting to you and also one that will require some academic research. Right, now this says discuss in detail. We would do this in the classroom. Obviously, we can't do that. So let's change the word discuss to just think. You need to think about a problem. And you need to think about the cause and effects of the problem. And then finally, you will do some academic research. And you need to write 1 paragraph about your opinion on this topic. This is what we're going to do now. You're going to introduce your topic to me and you're going to write 1 paragraph. Now I will show you some examples. Right, so let's just talk a little bit more about the topic. You can choose your own topic from the book related to your major or something else. Now, if you have trouble choosing a topic, here are lots of topic ideas from our textbook. I will share this file on Smart Campus for you. It will be called Writing Assignment Topic Suggestions. Okay? And it will look like this. It's several pages, but these are all topics from the textbook. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. And then also, we have given you some ideas. You do not have to use these. They are just to help you if you cannot think of your own topic. Okay, topic, proposal, and opinion paragraph example. This is what you have to send to me, everybody. So please use this one as your example. So you put your name there. This is just example. Your student number, your class day and time. Please don't forget this, okay? I keep reminding everybody, everything you send me, you must have this information. And in this proposal, you can put my name. Right, so this is the first part. This is a sentence. This is the proposal. I propose. Propose means my intention. I propose writing a research paper that argues in favor of people who make unhealthy lifestyle choices, paying the same insurance rates as people who make healthy choices. Right, now these topics are not simple, so you've got to be careful. But this is an example of a proposal for a research paper, and that is the topic. So one more time. I propose writing a research paper that argues in favor of people who make unhealthy life choices, paying the same insurance rates as people who make healthy choices. Basically, everybody should pay the same insurance rate, even if they have unhealthy lifestyle. That is the opinion of this example. Okay, and then you need to write one paragraph that summarizes your opinion. Have a title. No insurance penalties for unhealthy behaviors. That is the opinion of this example. And then you need to give a paragraph. Okay, let me read this. People with unhealthy habits should not pay more health tax, even though they cost the system more than people who live healthy lifestyles. Okay, that is the opinion. Now we're going to summarize some reasons. First, there are already taxes on unhealthy behaviors. Sin taxes are charged for products such as tobacco and alcohol. It is unfair to penalize people who use these products again. Second, a policy like this would be expensive and difficult to run. For example, the government would have to monitor citizens paying low rates to be sure they were not lying. To monitor even a small percentage of the population effectively would be very expensive. Lastly, it would be an invasion of privacy. For the government to make this program work, it would need to collect data on the personal lives of its own citizens. This is not appropriate behavior for the government of a democracy. For the above three reasons, the National Health Plan should not penalize unhealthy behaviors with higher rates. Okay, very good. So, one more time. You have your information at the top. You have your one sentence proposal. And then you have your title. And then you have your paragraph. Now the paragraph, you can see, starts with your opinion and then it summarizes the three reasons. Now you can copy the language you can use: first, for example, second, lastly. Use some of that language, but obviously you're going to use your own topic. Okay guys, so this is not easy, and this is the only task that I'm going to give you for this week. I want you to think about this, and I want you to try to write a professional, academic proposal and paragraph, just like this one. Okay, next slide. The proposal and paragraph deadline is Tuesday, April 7th. That is 1 week later. Okay, you have 1 week, everybody. Now, it's important that everybody meets deadlines. Okay, so for the first few assignments, I've been not too strict, but we need to start meeting the deadlines now. So the deadline is Tuesday, April 7th. You know how to send me your emails now. Send your proposal and paragraph to me using a Word document file, or you can write it directly in an email. But please do not send me HWP Handsoft Handword files, because I can't open them. Okay guys, so that's it. Please watch this video again. Please understand what you have to do. If you're not sure, feel free to send me a message. But I think all of the information is in this video. Okay, good luck. Bye bye.